How to download and install WinRAR on Windows 10 and 11. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can download or install WinRAR in your Windows 10 or either 11. So without any delay, let's start with the process and how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to download it, open up your Chrome browser. After that, simply type in WinRAR on your search bar. After typing in WinRAR, you can see WinRAR official one. Just tap on that link and you'll be taken to another page where you can find buy WinRAR and download WinRAR. Because let's select the option called download WinRAR. After that, get over to another page and you can find the download WinRAR. After clicking on it, the file will start downloading onto your device. You can find the downloaded file at the upper side where you can find all of the downloads that you may have done. Just click on it. After it is downloaded, just open it up on your file manager and wait for it to load. So you're just going to run this program as an administrator. After running it, here you can see install option on your screen. Just click on install. After that, wait for it to be installed. After that, click on OK. And let's go on with the process of setting it up. Tap on done, click on done. After that is done, just wait for it to load. And you can see it has already been installed on your device and your zip file has also been converted into the WinRAR one, and you can unzip them. So therefore, just follow this process in order to download the WinRAR on your Windows. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.